Hello, my name is Jimin Woo and I'll be doing question 29 for the assignment. The playing surface of a football field is 300 feet long and 160 feet wide. If a player runs from one corner of the field to the opposite corner, how many feet does he run? So the longest side is 300 feet and the width is 160 feet in a rectangle. If you cut the rectangle from one end of the corner to the other end, it becomes sort of a triangle. So the base could be 160 and the height would be 300. And if you do the Pythagorean theorem, like I did here, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and 160 squared plus 300 squared equals to the hypotenuse, which is the diagonal we're trying to find. And that is 25,600 plus 90,000 equals root 115,600. And that would equal to 340 feet. So the player has to run 340 feet.